Yo, 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 yo. Welcome. Hello, hello. Lights, camera, VFX. Yo. Welcome back. Opening up Twitch. Managing the stream. Hopping into the chat. Alright, cool. 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 And, oh yeah, I wanted to make sure that the Twitch announcements were quieter. They were so loud yesterday, past few times. Let's turn it down. And you know what? I'm gonna test that. Let's see how it sounds. Twitch announcements and Twitch announcement. Interact. How to do it? Camera's coming on. Here I am. Hello. Welcome back. Okay, I want to hop in, make sure the Twitch announcements sound good through the stream and it doesn't blow everybody's ears out. Let's see, if I go into my settings, edit stream stuff. You know what? I could do that off stream. I'll do that off stream. Part 3. Cool. But I am updating the name. All right, cool. So here we are. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Apt Dude. And I have been working on this thing. I don't know if I'm ready to jump right into it yet. I mean, I literally just tried rendering it and having some technical difficulties, but still got something here that we could talk about. But yeah, one thing I noticed yesterday, we didn't look at the manual. We didn't even like take a little quick glimpse or anything. We just ignored the manual yesterday. I don't even know where the manual is. It says it's on my desktop. Man, I misplaced the manual. See? That's why I'm having technical difficulties. Let's see, where's that at? Where is it? Oh, it's over here. It's hiding. Get over here. What are you doing? All right, cool. Alrighty, so today I was thinking about this 3D Nodes Fusion Page Effects. Did I just lose my camera again? No, the camera's on. We're good. Okay. Yeah, it's on. So the Fusion Page Effects. There's a few things in this comp that I'm working on. Hi, Emma. Emma on YouTube, welcome. There's a few things that I wanted to see if I could kind of dig through the manual. Figure out how to fix a few things. We got, how do you diagnose the problem? Flow nodes, filter nodes, film nodes, effect nodes, deep pixel composite, 3D nodes, 3D light nodes, materials, textures, blur nodes. You know what? Let's go check out the comp. Maybe we can figure out. I think it's good if I just start cleaning this thing up, trying to organize it into a way that makes sense. Oh my god, look. This is like so crazy. Alright. Start cleaning up. Cleaning up. Clean up. Instance text. I want to also switch this to show. I don't want it to keep popping up when I select the thing. I want it to either be showing or not showing. How do I do that? Scale? No. Arrange tools? Nope. Options, show, pipes. It's one of these. Huh? Huh? Scale, arrange tools? I don't know. Bring these down here. Cleaning up. Naming stuff. Do. Let's put on some tunes. Create a vibe. How do I get to the music player here? Oh, I think maybe today could be a chill hop day. Chill hop FM. Play it on SoundCloud. Nice.
Is a movie, my life is full of some mystery, misery, missing the piece of God like Mr. He can't have all the answers, either that or I'm a victim to fickle thinking that these niggas is slowly wishing fate the black
Yep.
with hate that's self-destructive.
All right. Oh boy. Off to a good start. Turn that music up a little bit.
When I step out in the moonlight, I will shine like the sun. All the people, they'll be moving to a rhythm far beyond. Sometimes I feel like I'm far from home. 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 Like I'm far from home.
Man. No, I wanted to stay on chill hop. I'm gonna get copy strike. I'm gonna get a copy strike for that. I'm sorry, YouTube algorithm, please. Please. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it, algorithm. Yo, what's up, DC? DC's how's it going, man? We are back. Man, I've been working on this nonstop. It's coming along, but it's still a work in progress. I mean, just continuing on this. This is turning into a rather large project because I want to make it look good, you know. And right now, I'm kind of actually I'll walk you through it. It'll probably help me if I walk you through it. So. Looks crazy, but there's really only so many components. There's like, it's like this is a section. You know what? I'm gonna color code it as well, so that we can understand what's happening at a glance. I started highlighting the greens, the pink stuff is supposed to be for like special effects. It's kind of loud. Good to know. Thanks for letting me. Let me know. Oh yeah, it's way too loud. All right. Right. What's good? Like negative 25. Is this good? That's good. All right, cool. Okay, so I'll start color coordinating this stuff because that might help as well. I'm trying to clean things up. I was cleaning up basically this first hour, trying to organize like what's going on. You know, to like go straight through a whole project from start to finish nonstop is like pretty hard. But let's see. These are all merges. I feel like merges could be white. Or this color's all right. Oh, I just realized I was working with the color, like the eye saver mode. I've been working on this project with eye saver mode on. That's really a mistake. Okay, so I'll just try to explain what's going on here. This is the background. This is like the rainbow tunnel. Okay. And it comes into play at this point, where it's like the rainbow tunnel kind of like blows up. But these are the elements. This is the camera, and I tied the camera to different elements here. These are all connected. These are all instances. So it's basically the same exact camera. I might not be doing this correctly, but the idea is that it's like just the same motion of the camera, and this way I can separate the elements onto different planes and then merge them together here. So here, that's the background. this is the sky background. And it might help if I play through it. It's gonna be laggy. I have effects on. I know, I tried the group. Group doesn't work very well. I tried that. I also tried the other one where you can do the underlay. Underlay looked. This is underlay. That might be better. Because the thing with the group is that it's like after you make a group, it kind of works a little weird to like edit, add or remove effects. Then also like the separation of the box for the group kind of is confusing for me. But this underlay thing might be good. Oops. Underlay. Yeah, let's do a bunch of underlays. Okay. Okay, yeah, no, that definitely helps. That definitely helps. Also, taking notes. I just erased all my notes because I had made the updates, but that's something I'm trying to do as well to keep organized. But let's see, we got let me kind of play through. I'm gonna scrub through because we're not gonna get the full thing right now. I did render a preview. Actually, I could play that. I rendered a preview, but it not only failed. It failed rendering halfway through, and I've already made quite a few updates just in the past hour about this, but I'll show you. So this kind of blows up, like the render actually breaks right here. That's kind of hard to tell. I'm seeing one thing actually. I'm glad we just revisited this because I'm seeing that the clouds in the background, the sky is wrong. It's like it's kind of a little off. So I gotta tie the sky. Yeah, the motion is it's pretty good. I mean, like I'm happy with the motion. I'm not happy with the color. Like this is too black. I gotta work on that. I already did. I actually worked on that. I changed the application mode to screen and then added more glow already. So this already is kind of updated or out of date. But the motion is pretty cool. And then the idea is that it like slams. I gotta fix that too. It slams colored smoke. Yeah. Yeah, because right now it's like juice. It's like, but I kind of like it. Yeah, but then it like falls down and it doesn't make sense. Like that doesn't make sense that it's. Maybe I should just like cut it. Like when it goes full. Like so that it goes to this point and then like disappears or something. I don't know. I like the idea of smoke though. And then it comes up and it slams, and the idea is that like it slams like the air so hard that it rips a hole in the background. And I did sync it so that there's like, this is already updated a little bit as well. But there's like a rainbow portal that's supposed to be synced with this element. And I want it to like go out and then come back in. And then it didn't really render properly. We got a few more frames here. No, we don't. So I want it to like go out and then like come back in, and then it expands again, and we kind of fly into this portal. Look up here. See, it's already looking better. The 3D text, yeah, the 3D text, actually, the way I did that was with, all it is a text that is instancing to this one. And then on this one, you de-instance the extrusion depth and the bevel depth and the width. And that's how you get the outline. And then you can replace material and attach something to like change the outline type. And same with this text, or no, this text is just replace material, and this is connected with like a cool background material. With this one, then I color correct it to just kind of get it more. But yeah, that's the text setup. I could also probably, I should probably switch the, no, the instance is important. I mean, the idea is that like if I wanted to, I could change this. But yeah, it's just for the outline, right? It's right for this. And this. Kind of transparent, I don't know why. Oh. I don't know why the color is getting automated there. I mean, keyframes. Oh yeah, it's starting to look better. Oh, this is also a mistake. How do I do that? Source. So this, I'm trying to change it so that the light is. See, it's like clipped just to the text right now for some reason. Oh, there we go. Huh? Oh, maybe I need to do like another background type thing. I think I know what I think I know what I gotta do. Something like this. Gonna merge. Or map control? No. Merge. What about switch that? And then if I do it, oh. I think that was it. Yeah, sweet. No. Oh, okay. It's weird. Hey! Cool, and then it's like goes up here. This is gonna be so cool. Alright. Oh, but now it's all in the wrong place. Yeah. Honestly, I'm not 100% clear on how that worked. But the idea is that, like, the transparency wasn't getting pushed through. If we have this transparency here, like here, if we could disconnect this, and we just go straight into a channel. Oh, of course now it works. This is so dumb. I think, okay, I mean, I still will try to explain it, but I hope you just saw that this, I think it's kind of like a bug right now where it is displaying, but the way that I got it to work at first, I do think that's necessary, where it's like when you have this single thing, by adding just a blank background to a merge, and then you might have to make sure that this is on the as the background and this is the foreground. It takes the like frame size and the frame settings from the background. So I think like this, sometimes you got to do this where you just like combine these elements if it seems like the transparency and is not coming through correctly, which is what you were seeing with this. It was like weirdly clipping, like the text was masking it for some reason. And then I did that twice because something about this was like needed. But I do think that's a standard trick. I believe I saw somebody mention that before. Then the transparency works, yeah. So I don't know if that was a trick or it was necessary in this case. Because I remember like earlier in the project, I was having this issue of like the light rays were not properly showing. But yeah, that's the fix for that. This is a common thing. But I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. And then I'll be back for another chill session. So BRB, thanks for hanging out. Oh, whoops. I was gonna say, or what I was saying was like, instead of keyframing it by hand, I could connect it to the actual text, but I think that's a mistake. Because this is 3D text. I don't think I can connect it like that. Let me see, if I connect to... No. Okay, so I gotta hand animate it. That's okay. So one here. Ooh. Oh, it looks pretty good. It looks good. This looks good when it's like pointing up. Like that looks good. So maybe I actually want to start it here. Or you know what? I start it here and then it drops down to here or so. But I actually want to turn the length up. So from here, it's not as much. So when it hits like the apex of the motion, it like shines. Like right here. And then it slams down. And right when it slams down, this can come up higher. Where's this motion? This thing. Oh yeah, that's cool. So it goes. Wait. I want to turn this, I want to have this go on sooner. So just the curve of this. Is it the length? Yeah, the length. I want this to be, I've been using cubic. It's been in cubic and out cubic. That's been the thing I've been using. So I think I want this, wait, no, it's supposed to be out cubic. And then this. Oh, that's why you right click on this and you say, you have to offset it, right? You have to make it a modifier or something so that you could see the displacement. Because right now this looks silly. It looks like it just goes straight up, but we know that it goes down and then it goes up. I don't know, that's a subtle, weird thing. Oh yeah, that looks good. And then, okay. And then, this is a big thing that I, for some reason, have been putting off, was just getting myself to be in front of this. I don't know, this doesn't actually make sense, right? Like the positioning of the elements here. I throw this thing up, and it slams down. Or actually, what's the story I'm telling here? with the particles and stuff, and like where do they exist? Oh, I gotta fix that. Wait, let's fix that. Huh? Huh? Okay, there we go. No. No, your food. Your order. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? I need to know. Is your food... Is it gonna be alright? Oh, okay. Alright. So I went to your girlfriend's. That's alright. Just say, oh yeah, surprise. I got you some food, you know. You know. Got you some food. Don't worry about it. Just a little. Just a gift. Just for you, you know. Just because I care, you know. Could be a big win. Or you could be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Be right over. So for the, I think this element, right? Oops. This is the plasma thing. No, the plasma thing. Oh, I like it though, and the colors look cool. Maybe we could fix that. But so you were saying that to get, try and get some smoke instead. Let's see, VFX. What is that? Stock video, VFX. Ah. It's hard when you're hungry, though. You know. It's hard to be smooth like that when you're expecting food. You know. Ugh. Oh, there's another thing. I need to figure out how to posterize time. Posterize. I don't know how to do that. Okay. Good luck. Duty calls. All good. Ooh, that might... Oh, that might be good. Might be able to use that. Smoke. Oh, this might be cool. This might be really cool if I could get this to work. This might be sweet. If I can get it to work. Import. This. What? Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Hmm. Oh. Nice. Wow, that was quick. Mission accomplished. And you bought food for your girlfriend? Right? No, I'm kidding. Okay, what is going on here? I'm trying to have this footage play reversed. But I want it to start here. Nah. Nah. Oh, that's weird. Why is it so far away? Transform position? Oh, I think that's it. That's it. That's weird. It's still off. So I probably don't need this transform anymore. Probably don't need this or this. Or this. There we go. I think. Is that the song or is that me? I feel like the audio is... That might be me. Uh-oh, maybe it's me. Like, not playing in the left ear, it's like going in and out a little bit. So many technical difficulties. These are the trials and tribulations, you know? Well, let's see, how do we get this... I don't think that's it. I don't think that's the one. I'm looking for a new... Actually, hold up. Looking for a replacement for this one. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Control Z. Get me out of here. Come on. Okay, there we go. That's back. Now we're back. Now we're back. Okay. But I'm still looking for a replacement for this clip. This stuff. I need to find like smoke, and I need to find like energy for the background. I did have a replacement for this back. Let's see, that might work. I'll bring it in. The wormhole effects. The deal was it could be like a composite of a few things here. That looks pretty sweet. And let's see, do I have to make a bunch of multi-merges? Or just merges, I guess? Or I might need to do this background thing. I do that background and then change it to screen. I know there's like a better way to take out the black here. I just forget what that technique is. There's like a smarter way. Cause you can do like a Luma mask, right? But I think there's a better way. There's a better way, I think. I thought you put this as like a darken or something. Ah, I forget. Not sure about that one. Okay, let's see, and let's do the same thing for this, I guess. Maybe we don't need... let's try it. Oh, that's gonna look cool though. Same thing, we just do the same thing. Plug it in, plug it in. Cool. Oh, here's another example why you need to do that trick. Is so that you can go to the background and... I gotta set it as background. But this should update. Or at least this one. Yeah, see, this is a 4K now. Same with this. This is actually 1080p footage. But for the comp, well, I guess it doesn't matter. But if you wanted to resize it, you could resize it with this background. I guess it can be, it doesn't have to be 4K for these elements. It doesn't really make sense. It doesn't matter. Actually, if you can not be 4K, that'd be better. So this is a 1080p element. But then when I bring it together here, I want to make sure that at this point I'd want to merge it with a background. Oh, that's also wrong. I'm gonna do that. Do that. Then I do this. And then when we bring this in, oh, not really necessary. Because I did the same thing here. All right. Okay, I think that's hooked up. And with this, we could tweak this a little bit, like color corrections, CC. What kind of energy? I like sort of like a green, blue, teal. So what's that? And we could color correct this. Oh, cool. And then this one. You can also adjust lift and gain so it blends in with your footage better. I have that at the well, let me hold that thought, because I do some of that later here, but I might, yeah, you're probably right. I'll come back to that. Damn, I think my headphones are dying. A shame. Let's get that orange. Get some hot in there. Yeah, and then all together. Huh? Oh, that's why. Lighten. Lighten. Yo, what's up? Anna Rude. How's it going? No. Nope. It is not done. We're just getting started. No. It's we're deep in the project. We're deep. We're deep. Right now, we're kind of, I mean, taking our time, just messing around, trying to refine some things, but taking it easy. I was working on this thing all day, pretty much. Oh, I gotta fix that. That's the thing that's on the screen. This thing is like, I want this to be an element. I gotta fix it right now. But the element is like, it rips the background, and it's the energy ripping the background like the sky and then turning into a portal. So I want to, this is supposed to be that energy. Yeah, I gotta work. It's a work in progress, but this is the energy like rips. Here, I'll show you version 1. We've already updated quite a bit from here. But I rendered this right before the stream. You can kind of see where it's going. One more time. Thanks. Glad you like it. It's coming along. The render wasn't a full, like even the render kind of had some issues. I think for the render what I'm going to try and do is I think I need to go back and change all of the renderer 3D nodes to software at rendering. I think that helps with exporting. But let's see. Where were we? Oh yeah, so this. Do it like this, this, and this. This. Yes. But that was actually something we read in the manual, that sometimes there's some things that don't quite work with hardware rendering. And then basically I think it's why the render didn't work. It sort of did, but when you're doing the final render, I think you're supposed to switch all of the 3D cameras renderers to software. But when you're working on it, it's faster to have it as hardware. But so you have to switch. You have to make that switch when you're rendering. It's kind of tricky. But... Oh, and there was another huge problem. It was right before I went live. I realized that my frame rate for the video for the whole project was 30 FPS, and I recorded with 24. How did I track? All of the tracking is from a single tracker node. The camera is stationary, so there's not enough like movement to do a 3D camera tracker. So I just did a regular, stable, stationary track. And then after you make the 3D elements, I connected it with a transform node. And the transform node has the same tracking, the same single track from just the footage. So it's here, it's here. That's how I put all the elements together. So it's almost like I'm like I'm compositing these things in 2D and I'm making layers. That's kind of how I'm working on this project. There's probably a better way where I can have all the elements in 3D, but for this workflow, for this project, it's everything is basically like rendered. It's basically rendered at this point, at this point, at this point, and then I apply this tracker to make it look like it's all part of the same scene. That's how I did it, because we didn't have enough data for the 3D camera tracker. Yeah, so I think this was the right way to do it, actually. But yeah, you can, if you look, the name of the comp is, if you want to save your comp or switch it over, there's a process to it. You have to like bring the elements over, but yeah, it's possible. You start a new composition and you save it. You make sure that it's the right frame rate. Then you start bringing the stuff over. And also there's another part where it's like you have to right click when you're on the home button here. You have to right click and do dynamic project switching. Because then when you're in the project, I'll show you. When you're in the project, this is the project that was at the wrong frame rate. I have it at 30 FPS, but the camera was, and all the elements were 24. But so this is, when I was on the home screen, I do this, and then I do dynamic project switching. And then up here, you can switch between projects. I can hop right in. And so with that, you can copy and paste stuff over. But I want to exit out of this project. I don't even exit out of it. And then this one didn't work. I did it wrong. Oh, close projects in memory. That's the way. This one, delete, delete. There we go. Oh, that's a little off. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna take a 5-minute break right here, and it's also gonna help with this stuff to pre-render, because I just switched the project. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Yeah. BRB. I think my headphones are dying. Dang it. Yo, 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 yo. Okay, that's good actually. My headphones are kind of going in and out. It's kind of weird. I don't know what the issue is. I think it's not. I think it's the plugs. No, might just be dying. Dang. Struggling. Every day I'm struggling. Okay. Let's see. So what is going on with this? The wormhole effects, I was thinking it was gonna start at 92. Gotta hold the first frame until 92. 92. 92. Oh, I gotta fix that. I don't know how to fix it so that it like passes through. I gotta fix that. Gotta fix that. I gotta fix this. So let's see, when it hits. Oh, I already like it. I already like it. Oh. Too much glow. Too much glow. And the red, I gotta fix that red. Wait, there's like way too much glow. And it's squishing. This. I'll just delete this for now. Are the sun rays maybe being limited by the background node? Yeah, it might be the same trick that we have to do where we just extend the comp size, or not the comp size, but like just the background size, right? You go to this. Let's see. When it's thrown up into the air. Yay! But the only thing is, like, when you change this, it like messes with the positioning on the layer. So then that has to get updated. So the sun rays, where are they? Coming from the text, it's here. There's also another thing here, which is like an advanced or maybe proper way to work, which is that you don't even do any type of X or Y movement of the text. You separate the movement from the rotation stuff that's going on. so that what I could do is have the rotation stuff happening on one frame with the light rays, and then on a different transform I'm adjusting like where it is in the X and Y. I think that's the workflow for when you're working with, in this case, I'm basically working with 2D elements. Even though there's 3D elements, it's composited together like everything's 3D. I think that makes sense. Does that make sense? If I have... I don't want to go back though and read all this stuff. Like instead of this flying up from here to here, all it has is the rotation. And so I have to like figure out how to get the position stuff later. After the light rays. I don't get it, but I don't trust you. I think, yeah. I'm hesitant to try this because it's not 100% clear to me yet how to do this. But the idea is that like the text is animated, that this text is just dead camera center. And the only animation that happens with the text is with this, its scale, it gets bigger and it does the movement, but it doesn't move on the X and Y. And then we basically place it, we can move it in X and Y after it's been basically rendered. Because that way we won't have the issues with clipping. We won't have this issue. Yeah. That does, yeah. I think that's it, right? That's what I'm supposed to do to fix this. Because the other way is, it's basically like pretty, it's like a dirty way to do it, where I adjust the canvas size. Let's see, maybe I can try that with this, right? I think it's here. If I just do 3840. Prof YG, yo, welcome, man. The studio version, this stuff isn't it free? I should figure that out. How's it going, man? Are you looking specifically for the studio version or the or just to get on to Fusion and Davinci Resolve? Because you can get into this for free. There's some nodes that like you don't have, but you can do pretty much like all the fundamental stuff. And then the extra like sugar on top stuff, you'll have to pay they have the free version. You're color grading and need oh. Gotcha. Yeah. Well, I don't have any. I understand. Well, good luck. Sorry, man. I don't have any studio versions to hand out, but thanks for the follow. Oh, you got it from buying the camera? But I would say it was worth, yeah. Instead, increase the background with 4K or higher. Blow it at a new node with your 1080p ratio. It will solve your issues without changing everything. I've seen you say IG before. What does that mean? don't know the acronym. I guess. Oh, okay. I can sort of show what I've done so far. It's we're getting like deep in this project and things are starting to get really laggy. And we're like trying to fix things like this text. It's got this shine, but it's getting cut off. So we're trying to fix some of these things now. And then this is also a little thing to make it look better, but it's off for now. But it's like a slideshow. I'll show you. It starts with this. And then I reveal my name and I shoot out magic. And then I throw the name into the sky. It does a nice animation. And then it slams so hard in the sky that behind it you get like an opening of a portal. And then we fly into the portal. But I gotta work on all this stuff. I gotta work on all this. Yeah, it's not... At least at this point, it's not easy. Maybe if I get a few more... Maybe if I get through this and then do this a few more times, it'll be easier. But... It hasn't been easy, yeah. Can adding a polygon on it and using soft edge work? Yes. You mean for this, for these elements? We just brought this in. I gotta fix this up. This is too bright here. I think this one. Oh, because the gain is just way too high. Then this one. But we're at the point where it's like we gotta make fixes and tweak stuff around. We'll get there. I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be working on this off stream, and I hope on Tuesday I'll be able to show at least a final product, you know? Open. That'd be pretty sweet. But like I was working on this all day basically, and I'm pretty fried. A lot of this stuff needs like a moment to settle. For like the next final touches, but it's fun. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure about it. Like right now, I do feel like I'm moving slow, but it's one of those things where it's like if you just if you work on it for a while and then give it a day to settle, and then you come back to it fresh, a lot can get quickly fixed. You know, that's kind of how I feel about it right now. It's like my mental RAM is almost depleted. So it's like coming up, trying to see what we can do for today on the stream, talk about it, measure it up, see if we can make adjustments. But yeah, thanks. Glad you understand. It's stuff. Yeah, this is actually like the first project that we've done on stream. And how do we get this to look not so blown out? think it's all about these different merge types. Lighten doesn't look like it's... Looks like it's too much. Or if I do lighten and then I turn down the gain? No. Let's see. Okay. What if we switch these? Switch. A new brightness node? Yeah, I feel like I'm missing, is that brightness contrast? I feel like this is not the right, what am I missing? I'm missing something about this, right? Pre-molt? Is that the thing I'm trying? What do I expect to happen here? I think it's in this merge. There's probably better ways to merge this. Darken, linear burn, It's usually like screen. Which one is screen? Screen, lighten. Oh, it's up here. Could it be this? This is tricky. This is like crucial for compositing, isn't it? Knowing your modes. Well, that looks cool. What if we make this a little bit larger? Right there. Or we could add a transform here. Yes. The Luma keyer. I'm not sure if the Luma keyer is the right one here either. Get rid of this black. Oh, I'm pressing 2. I'm pressing 1 and 2. I have my hand on 1 and 2. Yeah, a lot of people when they're doing Davinci Resolve, they like go like this. But I usually press 1 or 2. I guess that's harder to see when I'm streaming, but I like doing it that way. Like I have my, it's like, I like to think of this, what I'm doing as like, instead of gaming, I'm Davinci resolving. I have my hand WASD at all times. Box. This one, right? Yeah. I'm pressing 1 and 2 on my keyboard. Huh? 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 Oh, up here? This is the apply modes. Sorry. I'm able to see the preview. Oh, I know what you're saying. Oh, I got you. I don't know. I tried to, I want to turn that off. I think it's in here. I think it's in here. I want to turn it off. I tried to turn it off before. I couldn't find it. Force active tile picture? Is that it? There. That is it. Boom. Yeah, I don't like it. There. So all you do is right click. Yeah. I don't like it though. Because it gets in the way. Like if I, like, watch this. If I click this, then you can't see the node beneath it. Yeah, what is it? There you go. You can turn all of them on. That's kind of cool, actually. I could see an argument for this. Show thumbnails? Yeah. Or wait, let's see that again. If I do that and then I turn off show thumbnails? Oh. What's that? Here's another good one. Is if you hold Control-Shift-E, it takes off the names, so you can just like look at stuff a little easier. Like if you ever open somebody else's project or like a template, you can just hit Control-Shift-E, and it just gives the name rather than the number at the end. Yeah, that one, I find that one's actually pretty useful whenever, I don't use it all the time, but when I do, I'm like, oh yeah. Oh, I think I know what I could do. To get rid of the white, what would I do? I'd have to do the background merge trick. I think. Huh? What? Oh. But then with this one, can I change it to screen or something? Or darken? Oh, okay. Maybe if I change this to white? No. It's white, but the alpha's at 0. Okay, maybe. See, I don't know. I need to like I need to read up on my on blend modes. Never really understood them. Like I get the basic idea of some, but when you start combining them and like how to make stuff look good, I always thought it was just like you just try these general ones and like mess around with them until you get something that looks good. This doesn't look good though. Let's see if we switch it back to black. I'm gonna find a way to get that white looking better. You think black? Yeah, I was thinking about that. But then it's like a dark energy, you know, and we're not trying to throw up dark energy, right? We're trying to, maybe it should just be what it is. Oh, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. Oh. Where would I go for that? Where would I go for reference images? Pinterest? Are there others? Okay, one sec. I want to just get to the regular Pinterest. It keeps taking me to Business Hub. I'm not here, well, I'm here for search and pins. Explore. Where's the search thing? Okay, here we go. Okay. Energy particles. Hey, Level himself. Thanks, man. We're trying to find some reference, but I'm glad you think it's cool. Fusion, are you familiar with After Effects? So Fusion is basically After Effects. And then Davinci Resolve is basically Adobe Premiere. But then Fusion is built into the same program. And it's like After Effects. Like this is the video editing section. And then for After Effects, you just go into here. That's basically what I'm doing. And inside of After Effects, inside of Fusion, you can do like compositing, which is what this is. This is just some footage these are 3 elements that I'm putting together here. It's this one, and this one. So this is just some compositing. And then this is like a 3D text. Or let's see, this is 3D text here. This is a background element. This is the footage. And we combine it all together. So that one, this needs work, but it comes all together into a composite. I can show you a preview, and it really is a preview because it still needs some work and it's been updated since then. But that's the idea, is that I spawn the channel name, then I throw it into the air, and it slams down so hard that it rips a hole in reality. And then we go zooming through a tunnel. That's the idea. That's from before though. I mean, this stuff is heavy on the computer. So it's running a bit slow right now, but you've seen a lot of people jumping into Davinci. I like it. I jumped out of Premiere and After Effects for Davinci Resolve. And actually what this channel was for the past month was I was reading the manual. And this has been sort of my learning live. And getting familiar with Fusion. Thanks, man. Still a work in progress, but coming along. The one thing I just saw, I don't want to forget, I have to fix the sky. The sky isn't connected in the background. We have this sky, where is it? This is it. It should be tracked. I thought I put it on. That's called slipping. When it's the 2 elements are kind of not properly sticking together. That's what I was seeing in that clip I just played. You see, it's the sky looks like it's just not quite connected. Yeah, for some reason it's offset. Might be this. Blur? Yeah. Do you mean for the sky? Oh, my camera died? Dude, technical difficulties. I am taking tomorrow off, as usual, but I think it's a much needed day off. We got the camera's blowing up, my headset, the left ear is breaking, computer is getting pushed to the limit here. For the sky. No, I think it's I think there's something with. I mean, just like right now, my idea is like to just align stuff. See if that helps fix it. Something about this. This is like the tracker. Something about the tracker isn't aligning, and it might be that. Oh, oh, I think I see. I think I see it. It's I got it. The camera, this camera has to be like connected with this branch right here. I'll do a merge 3D. Plug this in. Land the camera here. Plug that in. Oh, what happened? No, it can't be that, right? It's gotta be an instance. Okay. Now it's kind of in place. And it's also zoomed in a lot now. So I gotta zoom back out. I gotta put this back in Z space. Yeah. Okay, this is gonna work now. Wait. No. No, that's right. No, when I did this, I was like, oh, this is actually tricky. This is tricky. No, because you wouldn't have. Oh, this is tricky. I think I know what to do though. You would have. I need another camera here. And it's plugged in. And we gotta just basically put the sky far back. If we, what is it, here? 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 Yeah, here we go. Okay, so the idea is that the sky just has to be really far back and then make it really huge. And then it's gonna look correct. The scale has to be like massive. It's like 50. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. Now look. That's gonna look right. Yeah, no, I think that's it. It didn't match because like the camera, this camera, well, I tracked it to the foreground, but the sky with the clouds is in the background, like deep in the background. So if there's camera movements, so maybe now I apply those. Maybe, well, they are applied now, but I think it's gonna look correct. Let's see, let's make this back, let's make it even larger because it's kind of off the edge here. Now that's the camera. What? Oh no, that's in the camera, isn't it? We're here. That's not even the final. I think I punch in just a little bit here. This is the this is further down. Yeah, see, I'm like already a little further in. That's okay, but I'm looking at, because this is the screen. But no, this looks alright. That looks. That looks pretty good. I'm looking forward to like taking a rest, like going to sleep and then letting this sit for the night and then checking it out tomorrow. It's one of those things like, oh my god, this looks crazy though. But going back, I want to see this one more time. I don't know if that's correct. Is this? What's that called? It's called parallax. When the camera doesn't, when the camera like in relationship to the background moves and stuff. And then what's going on in this frame? This frame is supposed to be this. Oh my god. Huh? What? What? You think it's... You think? Or is there something... No, I think you're right. I think it's actually just kind of bugging out. It's lagging. It's near the end. This keeps happening. Like in the last 10 minutes, I'm like, I run out of steam, and it's just like things start breaking, pushing it to the limit. Pushing it to the limit. It happens. No, maybe this is not working. This is supposed to be this one. What? No, okay. Oh, maybe. Oh. Oh. There we go. No, that was my bad. When I re-imported this stuff, I had to change it so that the hold first frame needed to be a little later. That's how you can like line up the footage with when you want it to start. I know, that's why I'm like real hesitant to ever blame anything on the program when it's like this time of day, like this moment after doing this for like all day. You know, it's probably my fault. It's probably user error at this point. Yeah, I won't be surprised if these types of problems stop happening as I get a little more experience. This gives me an idea. Oh man, do you know anything? Have you heard about Unreal Engine? I might do a little bit of Unreal Engine next week or on Tuesday. Maybe. Or maybe next week. Maybe not Tuesday. We'll see. Cause I just saw that they have a new tool that I want to check out. Motion graphics inside of Unreal Engine. So I wanna start getting footage, messing around there, and then bringing it in to Davinci Resolve. For 10 days? Oh, you got exams? Oh, okay, true. Good luck. Good luck in 10 days. I'll see you in 10 days. 10 days later. What are you studying? What's your major? What's your study? Oh, okay. Man, you can't choose until your third year? But doing sociology, psychology, and English. Cool. Nice. Nice. That's surprising. I thought you could choose like... I mean, I chose after my freshman year. Or it was like during my freshman year I had to decide. Operator. Oh, that's no fair. Man, I hate when they switch the rules and then you're like, that's like, you ever get online? You ever like, you get on a big line and then you're the last online for like the entire time? Like nobody else arrives to get online behind you? And you're just like, you're like, oh man, I really didn't need to be online. I I didn't need to come and stand here. It's kind of how I feel about like that. I feel like there's probably a better way to combine these. Or the mixture that I'm using right here is not the best. The mode mixture. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing this the right way. I'm probably gonna check out. Yeah, I'm gonna probably watch a video on that. Or I'll read the manual. Yeah, that's right. I haven't read the manual like at all past two streams. I have it. It's ready. It's ready to be read. Color notes. Yeah, good idea. Sure. Let's see it. If I coin. Oh, cool. The new coin operating system. Nice. Took 4 days, yeah. Nice. Yeah, after I do this intro title thing, I'm not even 100% sure where I'm going to use it. I need to use it if I'm going this far to like to make this thing, but I'm not sure where. So I think it's going to be probably like a YouTube opener. But I want to make more stuff like what you made, where it's like more Instagram, just like quick things. Yeah, this can totally be an intro when it's ready, when it's done. I feel like this is the opening title screen. Introduce it. All right. Well, I'm gonna call it a day there. No, I didn't. I was actually thinking of doing sound effects today, but whatever. We ended up doing a little more tweaks, making more progress, just reviewing stuff. I didn't do the sound effect. I was thinking of using the pre-render that I had, but didn't happen. Probably gonna work on this over the weekend, over the next couple days. But you'll definitely see it after your finals. Thanks for hanging out. Good luck on your finals, or on your midterms, or what is it? Midterms. You'll definitely see the result by then. Thanks for hanging out. Good luck.